In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GA4 events. Whether you're new to Google Analytics 4 or looking to enhance your analytics skills, this tutorial has got you covered. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and apply these techniques to your own GA4 properties. Firstly, let's begin by navigating to Google. It seems simple, but this is your gateway to accessing a vast array of Google's tools and services, including Google Analytics. Once you've arrived at Google, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Google Analytics. Then, enter your password for the selected Google account. After you've entered your credentials, you'll be prompted to click Next to proceed. It's a straightforward step, but ensures that your login credentials are correctly entered and verified. Following that, the next step involves accessing Google Apps. You'll find the Google Apps icon located at the top right corner of your screen, represented by a grid of dots. Clicking on this will open a variety of Google services and applications. Among these options, you'll spot Google Analytics. Go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you into the Google Analytics interface, the playground where all the magic happens. Now, you're getting closer to the main task. Once in Google Analytics, you will need to access the admin settings. To do this, there's a direct link you can follow, but generally you can find the admin option in the lower left corner of your Google Analytics interface. Click on it to proceed to the next step. With the admin section open, your next destination is the Data Streams section. Data streams are essentially the sources of data that you are tracking in GA4, be it a website, app, or other. Look for and click on the Data Streams option to continue. After entering the Data Streams section, it's time to drill down further into the events configuration. Look for and click on the Events tab. Here you'll find the option to manage and create new events, which is precisely what we've set out to do today. Once you're in the Events section, you'll see an option or button to Create Event. Click on it and you'll open a new world, the Event Creation interface. This is where you'll define what specific user interactions or behaviors you want to track as events in your GA4 property. Now comes the creative part, defining your custom event. In the space provided, type in a name for your event. Choose a name that clearly describes the interaction or behavior you're tracking. It helps to be both specific and consistent with naming to make your event data easy to understand and analyze later on. After naming your event, you will need to specify the conditions under which this event will be recorded. This is a critical step because it determines when your event is triggered. You might set it to trigger based on page views, button clicks, or other interactions on your site or app. Fill in the conditions based on what you want to track. Finally, with your event name and conditions set, look for the Create button, usually located at the top right corner of the interface. Click on it to bring your new event to life. With that click, you've now successfully created a new event in Google Analytics 4, allowing you to track specific interactions on your site or app more closely than ever before. As you can see, creating events in GA4 isn't just about tracking, it's about gaining deeper insights into how users interact with your digital properties. It enables you to make data-driven decisions, enhance user experience, and ultimately achieve your online goals more effectively. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to create GA4 events. Whether you're refining your analytics strategy or setting up new tracking parameters, remember the power of GA4 events in unlocking deeper insights and driving success in your digital endeavors. Happy analyzing.